Good morning, everybody, and I have some exciting to show you. I'm so excited for this. So this is our credit card number 3, and look at that. Oh my gosh. So what we ended up doing was we took that $12.20 that I put in the bank, and we took $100 from Joint and an extra 30 from me and 40 from Alicia, and we paid that sucker off. I'm so excited. Yeah, so let's get back to, so here you can see this is what we had. So I took the $13.87 and paid that off. So 100 from me, and I also took 200 here. I paid Discover. 20 went to my Robinhood account. But that is super exciting because we ended up paying that off a couple of weeks early. So then now we can start on that personal loan, which is the very last consumer thing besides the car payment and the house. So we are right on track, guys. And gosh, it seems like it's been such a long road. But we are totally testament to, once you just stick to it, you know, $100 here, $200 there, and you can get on the wagon. So this is the one main loan. This is what we're starting with. So you can see that, wow, it's big, guys. 15,588. That's a lot of money. But shoo, we're getting down, because you know, if you follow Dave Ramsey, you pay the smallest ones off first, and they give you the momentum to go on these longer ones. And I'm telling you, this one is gonna take a while. And I kind of have it all mapped out. If everything goes okay, we should have this paid off by July 1st. Now, I know things happen and the budget is always changing, but that's what we're shooting for, is July. It's a big one. But we've done these other ones, so I know we can do this. We got this, you know. And I appreciate everybody's comments. Thank you so much. It really means a lot on our journey. Just having those comments and, you know, those thumbs up and people watching really helps push you forward. You don't realize, you know, reading the comments on a video, how much enjoyment I get out of it, because I know there are people out there just like us that are struggling to pay off debt. You know, I mean, it don't take long to get into debt, but to get out of debt, it really takes, you know, calculated payments and, you know, sacrifice. So I really appreciate that, and I wanted to let you guys know that we did pay it off, and we are super excited. Right here, paid off. I love it, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.